Hello everyone, this is Asim, your online driving instructor, and we are here at Downsview and we are going to practice the Downsview G2 test route. So Shivam is here with me, my student. He has his test close by and we are here to just see how things are going to go. So I'm going to give you every precaution. There are different routes in Downsview. I'm just going to follow one of them and let's see how it goes. I'm parked in the third row. I'm just gonna move out. Right in front of us is a caution line. It's not mandatory to stop, but if there are cars passing by, it's better for us to stop. Scanning the intersection and make a left turn. You're gonna get an instruction to make a left turn at the intersection. Right ahead is a stop sign and we're turning left on it. Stop always before the line. If there's a line, if there's no line, stop before the sidewalk. But if there's no sidewalk, then stop before the curb. Now, I can see pretty much well and I'm gonna make my turn. The speed here is 30. Coming up ahead is a stop all way. I'm gonna look left, right, left check, and I'm gonna move out. Make sure to keep it 30 or below 30, like 27, 28, 29, 30. At the coming intersection, turn right, and the sign is three-way stop. We're going to consider it as an all-way stop. Checking my blind spot, and I came to a complete stop by looking left, right, left. The intersection is clear, and I'm going to make my turn now. Keep in mind that the speed is still 30. And only stop for pedestrians if you see the sign. Make a lane change to left, mirror signal, blind spot check, just to make sure. At the coming traffic lights, turn left. Just gonna cover my brake and keep a safe distance from the following car. Light gonna take a bit long. There we go. If your signals turns off automatically, you can keep it on again. And I'm gonna turn into my passing lane. Make sure to turn into the closest lane, and when safe, automatically lane change to the driving lane. And the posted speed is 50 if you don't see a posted speed by default. Make sure to cover your brake, and I'm at 50, 51 right now, 52, not letting it go more than 52, 53, 54. I will scan the countdown, and we have 11 seconds to make the turn. traffic lights, turn right. So I'm gonna get an instruction. I'm gonna make my right signal by doing mirror and blind spot check once, and make sure to make 2 blind spot checks. A lot of people ask question how many blind spot we have to do when making right turn. There are 2 blind spots, one with the entrance, other with the exit. Guess I'm good to go. So now we enter the 40 zone, and then the examiner can make you turn in any of the street. Probability is to the left side, so I'm gonna look left, right, left, and make a complete stop. Make my turn. Now, he may tell you to make a roadside stop, so I'm stopping with a hydrant. If you think it's a violation, that's not a violation though. And he may tell me to make an uphill or downhill parking, so it's up to him, not on the road. So if he tells me to make a downhill parking, I'm gonna turn my wheels towards the right and then make it straight when he tells you to pull out. Now here he may tell me to make a 3-point turn, so I'm already roadside stopped, and I'm gonna change the gear, check my mirror signal, and if it's clear, make sure you don't do any concedings. I'm gonna make my turn. Signal gear steering and move back. Scanning the intersection, and he may tell me to make a parallel parking with a black car. Let's do it. Stopping with a safe distance, checking the tail light, reverse my car, 1 cycle to the right, observe all the way around, making sure no one is moving back and forth. If they do, you stop for them. I'm gonna make a 45-degree angle. If you want to check my parallel parking video, it's right up there. You can click at the link. I'm gonna make my 2 cycles to left. Here I go. I'm gonna recover my wheel, move a bit back, and treat driveway as a curb for now. Park my car. Parking brake is automatic. No need to do anything. So pulling out. Now moving back to the test center. Mirror signal blind spot check, and let's move out. Making a right turn at all-way stop sign. So looking left, right, left, making sure who came first. At the traffic light, turn left. Mirror signal blind spot check, get into the turning lane. A lot of people ask that do they have to do mirror checks after every 5-10 seconds? The answer is no. You're doing your G2 test, not G test. So if you do a bit of your mirrors, it's good for you. Try to do it. Maybe he asks you for a lane change, or maybe you're doing your lane changes by yourselves. It's a good habit to watch mirrors, but it's not mandatory to check every 5-10 seconds in G2 test. I'm making my left turn, making sure that I move into the passing lane and speed up, and mirror signal blind spot to make an automatic lane change without examiner instruction. Keep in mind you have to automatically lane change from passing lane to driving lane. Okay, we got an amber. We couldn't stop. right. I didn't want to take the risk. His wheels were in my driving lane. A lot of learners, their test is disqualified on this route because of that TTC bus. They don't yield to the TTC bus. So make sure if you're in the front lane parallel to TTC, they have the right of way, because heavy vehicles cannot speed up and lane change from you. So we have to by law give them right of way. Speed is still 50, making the following speed. Never ever drop your speed on uphills. Right now I'm at 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 at the moment. At the coming traffic lights, turn right. So mirror signal, blind spot check. 4-1. I'm seeing my countdown is giving up. So I'm gonna make a complete stop instead of making a right turn, because that would be an automatic disqualification if I turn on amber light where I needed to stop. Now things are clear for me. I can make my right turn. The speed inside is 30. It's not important to achieve it on the sharp curve. And again, stop for pedestrians if they are there. Otherwise, keep proceeding. Look around. Make a lane change to the left. Signal blind spot check. And cancel your signal. You'll get an instruction again to make a left turn. Here we go to an always stop sign. I'm gonna make my complete stop by looking left, right, left. Right, left again. It's all way. Keep in mind that there are no 3 seconds to be counted. It's not a good habit to count till 3 and stop and go out. It's just when it's safe. Look left, right, left, and when it's safe to move out. There is no such 3 seconds. Right turn to the drive test. Lowering my brakes gently and make my turn. Now here's this intersection. A lot of people even get disqualified at this intersection because it's a stop between you and people coming out. So make sure if they are stopping before the yellow line, you let them go. But if you're the first one, you move out. So they may tell you to make a right turn to the second or third row, up to them, and they may want it to do a reverse or front park. It's up to them. It's not mandatory that whichever they maybe do parallel parking on you and then you're thinking they're gonna not do reverse parking. It's up to them. Maybe they wanted to do everything on you, so you gotta be prepared for everything. And I'm gonna make a front park on the left, any start that I would like to choose. And here we go. Park the car. Parking brake is automatic. These are the things I want you to focus on. There's nothing extra in your test. Just make sure you're doing more practice on the main roads, 3-point turns, parallel parkings. A lot of people ask that if I don't know parking, would I fail the test? It depends what you're doing in the parking. Mostly learners, they do a dangerous action like hitting the curb or maybe, you know, like when you're doing reverse parking, you're not taking the judgment properly, and then the examiner is waiting for you to judge that situation, but again, you're not understanding, and he may need it to press the brake on you. That would disqualify the test. Otherwise, if you do your parking wrong, it's not a fail, it's not a violation. It's, if you hit anything, it's a dangerous action. So again, they'll cut a couple of marks from you, but you'll not fail on that. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.